This is the periodic service maintenance video. Complete these procedures every 1 million sheets to ensure the machine is working properly. Inspect and clean the drag finger and closer pusher. Lift the stacker module and locate the drag finger. If there is ink buildup or dust on the surface, apply isopropyl alcohol to a cloth, and rub the surface of the drag finger until it is clean. Then, locate the closer pusher. Inspect for dust or debris and clean with the cloth if necessary. Inspect and clean the stacker module green belt. Inspect the stacker module's green belt for dust or ink buildup. If needed, take a cloth with isopropyl alcohol and clean the surface. Move the belt forward with your fingers to gain more access to the belt until it is fully clean. Repeat for the second belt as well. Inspect and clean the bypass transfer idler rollers. Inspect the rows of idler rollers on the bypass. If any need to be cleaned, then use a cloth with isopropyl alcohol. Repeat this procedure until all the idler rollers are clean. Inspect and clean the deflector module idler rollers. Locate the idler rollers. Clean the surface of the roller with isopropyl alcohol on a cloth, while spinning the roller to reach the entire surface. Inspect and clean the steering module's idler rollers. Locate the 2 idler rollers on the bypass. If the rollers appear to be covered in ink buildup or debris, then clean the surface with isopropyl alcohol. Inspect the element feeder belt. Pull out the element feeder drawer and locate the element feeder belt. Inspect the belt for damaged teeth. As you can see in the image, the tooth on the left is in good condition, but the tooth on the right is damaged. If any of the teeth are damaged, then the belt should be replaced. Inspect and clean the element detect flapper sensor. Do GP 6.8 and 6.13 to remove the spool detect cover, and rear baffle. Use a vacuum, compressed air, and/or a cloth to remove any paper, dust or other debris. Take care not to damage or dislodge the wire leading to the S20 sensor. Inspect the element alignment at stack position. If the element is not properly aligning with the sheet hole positions, then refer to hooking adjustment 1.8 to complete the pin pull test. Inspect the book drawer belts. Check for missing teeth or cracks in the belt. Belts should be replaced if they are damaged. Inspect the stacker module kickdowns. Push down on a lever at the base of the kickdowns to gain better visibility. Inspect all the kickdowns for cracks or bends, especially in the middle areas. If any of them have damage, then they should be replaced. Inspect and clean the paper path sensors. Take an anti-static wipe and fold it into a triangle so you have a small tip to be able to reach the sensors. Locate the alignment sensors and the skew sensors. Note: if your machine feeds paper from left to right, some of the sensors may be located on the bottom of the paper path. Using the wipe, gently clean the surface of each sensor. Clean and oil the closer transport rail. Wipe both rails with isopropyl alcohol on a cloth. Move the closer module to clean the other side as well. Once the rails are clean, apply a few drops of light machine oil to each rail, and wipe it over the shaft surface. Repeat this for the rails on the other side of the closer module. Clean and grease the closer chain. Do Rep 6.1 to remove the closer module. Apply a Teflon-based grease to the 2 gears and the closer chain. Be sure to grease the sides of the chain as well. Use a cloth to wipe away excess grease. Remove the cam cover and grease the 2 closer cams. Replace the cover and reinstall the module back into the machine. Clean and grease the knife chain. Do Rep 3.14 to remove the knife module. Unplug the sensor and remove the bracket. Note: it is important to remove the bracket so you do not risk getting the sensor dirty. Apply a Teflon-based grease to the knife chain, and wipe away any excess grease. Replace the bracket and reinstall the module in the machine. This concludes the periodic service maintenance video.